Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. So guys, for today's episode, we are going back to the end of season sale at ShangriLa Mall. So this is the part 2 because last week we have visited Balenciaga. So hope you enjoy that. So for today's episode guys, we are checking out what's on sale at YSL. So if you want to find out and see beautiful eye candies for today, please stay tuned. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, wholesale unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Guys, for the shopping episode that we are going to enjoy for today, this is going to be, a short but sweet episode because again, like what I mentioned, on that specific mall, they're a little bit stricter on anyone filming inside their stores. But hopefully guys, you still and would enjoy our episode for today. Hi guys, so we are already here at ShangriLa. So again, I'm very excited to be checking out what they have in store for us, especially the sale items. So we are going to check out many shops for today. So we have Balenciaga, YSL, and so many more like Louis and stuff. So again guys, I'm hoping that they would allow me to film because they're a little bit strict in this mall. So anyways guys, hope you enjoy our tour for today. The Cassandra bags guys are here. Alright, so what a beautiful YSL puffer bag here. Black gold combo, my favorite. This one we have a YSL camera bag. This one looks like vintage. I'm not a fan of this. This guys, if anyone knows the name of this bag, please comment down below. What do you think of this bag guys? Reminds me of the Tory Burch Lee Radziwill bag, right? And we have here the newest YSL baguette style bag. So we have more eye candies, more YSL puffer. We have here Kate bag in very beautiful caramel color. Love the gold hardware. So we have here a YSL Messenger Bag. Very understated, there's no logo, very small. Then we have here a mock croc emerald green YSL Kate with tassel. Love the color combination. So we have here the ivory shoulder bag of YSL. Camera bag in leather fabric combination. Again, my obsession with the YSL Cassandra top handle. Super love the red and gold hardware combo. Love. Again, an understated bag of YSL. I think this one guys are really not famous at all, right? We have here the YSL Nikki bag in the wrinkled leather. Love the gray color, matte gray hardware as well. More of the puffer bag in this very beautiful tea color. Let's check out what's in stock for the menswear section. So we have here combination of backpacks, shoes. I feel that these bags are a little bit out of last season. We have here more bags. So guys, these here at the bottom part are the only sale bags that they have. Oh, I'm a little bit disappointed to be honest. Beautiful YSL SLG. So we have compact wallet on your left. Super nice. Love the diamond quilting. We have here YSL Zippy Wallet. So we have the full wallet here, full size wallet. We have the card holder and coin pouch. I love the coin pouch. Super cute. We have here some Saint Laurent clutch bag, very basic. So just checking out this metallic silver Kate bag. As you know me guys, I'm always obsessed with anything metallic. What do you think guys? Do you think this is a good kind of bag like for everyday? I feel that because it's super metallic finish, your fingerprints would really stick on it every time you're going to touch it. What do you think guys? Please do comment down below.
Compared to
We have here more YSL eye candies. Super cute bag. I'm not really familiar of the leather, but it feels like the textured calfskin leather. We have here Saint Laurent clutch bag.
sa zipper mo sa atas. Dito. Yeah.
Beautiful metallic gold Kate bag with tassel. We have here the medium and we have the mini size here, side by side comparison for anyone who is interested. Super love the metallic. Do you think guys these kinds of metallic would wear off? Just checking out. This is like a more of a wallet on chain, as you're going to see that the chain strap is fully detachable. If I'm going to choose of the two, then definitely I would be choosing the bigger size because I would be able to fit a lot more. Oh my god, I'm changing guys. Before I used to love teeny tiny bag, now I'm into more of a bigger bag. What do you think guys of the star embellishment of this Kate bag? The hardware is in silver, very spacious inside, as you can see here. Could carry it as a shoulder bag, and you could double up the chain, so you know, a much shorter shoulder bag like here. And of course, you could carry it as a crossbody bag. Super functional. I love the leather of this YSL bag. Super soft. I think it's lambskin if I'm not mistaken. But I think if I would be buying this one, definitely I would need a bag insert. You know me guys, I love a structured bag, but the leather also yum. So we have here more YSL eye candies. We have here Saint Laurent men's shoes. We have here, if I'm not mistaken guys, this is still the Nikki bags. Love this oxblood maroon color. Super love the rich color of this one. We have here the YSL envelope flap bag. I think the size of this one is small. We have college bag. If I'm not mistaken, color is off-white. Love the color combination with the aged gold hardware. And then we have the YSL LouLou in this very beautiful emerald color. I think size is medium. More YSL Nikki bag. So we have here YSL Espadrille, super beautiful color, caramel color. But this one guys, OMG, I know I'm not a fan of espadrilles, but the metallic silver and metallic gold, it's super beautiful. So we have here in canvas, with it on the side, Saint Laurent.
So here, just checking out the footwear for men. So here we have a good lace-up shoes. This one, super love the style. As you could see here, it says Saint Laurent on the side. More YSL eye candy, super love. How about this deep, rich caramel color? OMG, super yummy. Reminds me of coffee. This one, so we have the small, medium, and large. So please don't quote me on the sizes, guys. More eye candies. So again, just checking out YSL Cassandra top handle. The size of this one is mini. So as you're going to see, you need to push the logo for you to be able to open the flap of the bag. We have here the very beautiful classic YSL heel, super love. More eye candies. We have here clutch bag. We have here the camera bag with tassel. A mini camera bag here.
Alright, so what did you think of our episode for today? So honestly guys, I'm a little bit disappointed with the sale items at YSL this year because with the previous years, they have lots and lots of selection. As you have noticed guys, I wasn't able to try on any bag at all because honestly, the sale that they have, it's not for me. But then again guys, you may still find good selection or good sale. So again, the sale is until the August 14th. So if you have time, please do drop by their stores. Again guys, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so kindly click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video. Please follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you guys for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!